What is up, beautiful people? For today's video we are going to be installing this crochet extension that was sent in from HW Hair Collection. They sent in their 18 inches crochet locks and it has some boho pieces in there. The finish is so amazing, so we are going to be installing that for today. And in the pack they included some things. They included a comb, crochet hook, this edges brush, and even leave-in conditioner, my favorite leave-in conditioner. I'm so sorry, this video was not sponsored. This locks was handmade with Brazilian wool extension. I already have like the video, a tutorial up on my channel already. So the first thing that you want to do is ensure that your hair is already parted. You can either like go to a salon for that or do that by yourself. I have the video up on my channel already. After that, you are going to make sure that your hair is moisturized, and to moisturize I am using my all-time favorite conditioner. Now to get into the install, we are going to be using this kinky extension from the brand Expression. Now I wanted to do like an ombre type look with this color because I didn't use black. As you can see, this is their color 33. So we are just going to get into it. Just keep watching. It is pretty much self-explanatory and you are going to get it even without me like explaining what is going on. With hair tutorials, most of the time it is more visual than like spoken word. The braid I have on is very old, so I'm just going to be using shine and jam to just define the patterns all over again so it actually looks new. And I'm just going to like insert the crochet hook through the root of my hair, as you can see there, and I'm just going to attach the crochet extension through that hook, close the latch up, and then pull it through, as you can see me do here. As I said, this video is pretty much self-explanatory. However, you can see that like there's a length up there. I am just going to go ahead to like make that length just for like extra length, if you get my point. Like I want the extension, or rather the locks, to be much longer than 18 inches, which is why there's that allowance in the length of the kinky extension that I'm using to wrap around. After making this one strand, I didn't like the way it was looking. It was looking dirty, so I just had to like switch it up and use another extension to do like the wrapping around, and I'm using the Darling's Passion Twist. Now I am using this because I did not want to like leave my house to get new extensions. I would rather, and I would advise that whatever extension you want to get, ensure that it is the kinky extension that you are getting. It has like this texture that is really similar to natural hair texture, so it like wraps around and like locks itself in place. Unlike this one, this was really hard for me to like control, and it was unraveling more than I expected it to. It is too smooth and too silky to like get the job done. However, the kinky extension would get the job done and it would not unravel because it would basically like attach itself to each other, or like the other extension, and just like lock itself in place. The installation is pretty much the same as what I did with the kinky extension, so you can just like watch carefully. As I said, this is like really self-explanatory, so I don't really have to necessarily explain what I'm doing because you can literally see what I'm doing. So just keep watching. I had this run for a couple of times just so that you would get yourself acquainted with the process. Let me just tell you, there's a spirit that comes with getting your hair done. Because how do you explain this expression that I have here and this expression that I have here? I'm literally not done with my hair and like I'm already feeling it. It was, oh my goodness, it was given. You know, when you have like an idea in your head and like you walk through the idea and like it works out. That is the feeling that we're getting here. Like at this point, I wasn't even done, but like you couldn't talk to me anyhow. I don't know if it's just me, but like once my hair is done, I'm a new person. Like there's this attitude that comes with like new hairstyle for me. I would want to go anywhere, like anywhere. When I make my hair and you invite me to anywhere, baby, I'm not checking my schedule. I'm coming right out of my house, which happens once and forever. So this is the last braid, and oh, this is so relieving when you're on the last leg of whatever that you are doing, especially when you're making your hair. And let me just tell you, this I finished this in less than 2 hours. It was that quick. You don't have to do anything. The only thing that like takes time is the crochet lock extension. So I already have that up on my channel. As I said, I would leave the link in the description box below so you can just go check it out. That video will save you a lot of coins. I say this in all of my videos because that is actually the truth. However, this particular do you know how much it will cost for you to like buy crochet lock extensions? Those things are like you're gonna spend a lot of money for that. And like I have 55 locks in total on my head. Just go watch the video if you want to like look good while like saving money, because you're going to be saving money on the extension as well as the installation. We all know how expensive it is to like make your hair and even make fine ass hair. So I decided to like add more like curly extension pieces to like give it like a fuller type boho look just in front. So I had this leftover curly extension pieces. If you look closely, I have like curls on the locks. However, I didn't have enough to like add to the top of the hair, and I didn't like the length. I wanted it to be much longer so it can give boho, if you get my point. So I just went ahead to like add this extension pieces, and it just takes the hairstyle to another level. I mean, look at this, baby. Take a look at this. I still have this hair on. I think I've had it in for about 4 weeks at this point, and it is still okay. It is very, very rough. However, you could like wear it for much longer and make it like new again. I have that video up on my channel as well if you want to like make the locks look new again, like you've just made it. Go check it out. And that is it for this video. Let me know if you're going to be trying this out, and if you do not forget to tag me on Instagram, and I would see you hopefully in the next one. Bye.